Hello students, now we are going to study decimal form of rational numbers. Now here suppose we'll take 13 by 2. This 13 by 2 can be written as 6.5. Okay, now what is this form? Yes, it's called the decimal form. 6.5 is the decimal form. So students, every rational number can be written in decimal form. There are two types of decimal forms. One is the terminating decimal form and another one is the recurring decimal form. Terminating decimal form and recurring decimal form. Okay, now let's see some examples. Write the rational number 7 by 4 in decimal form. Now 7 by 4, we are going to write this 7 by 4 in a decimal form. This 7 it can be written as 7.0 or 7.000, means any number of zeros can be added after the fractional part. So 7 can be written in this form. Okay, so now we are going to divide this. Okay, now 4 ones are 4, here remaining 3. Now we are going to take next number, that means zeros. Okay, before the 0 decimal point is there, so in the quotient also after 1 put a decimal point. Okay, take 1 0. Now 30 is there. Now 4 sevens are 28. Now 2 are remaining. Now again take 1 0. 4 fives are 20. 0 0. Okay, now here we can say that the decimal form of 7 upon 4 is equal to 1.75 or 1.75 can say. Okay, so in this example we have obtained zeros as a remainder. Here we get a 0 as a remainder. This type of decimal form of a rational number is called terminating decimal form. When we will get the remainder 0, this type of decimal form is called terminating decimal form. Okay, got it? Now we will see the recurring, second type, recurring decimal form. Okay, for that we will take one example. Write the number 5 by 3 in a decimal form. Okay, same like that, 7 we can say that 5 can be written as 7.5 or 5.000 like this. Okay, like a 7. Now we are going to divide it. 5.0003. 3 ones are 3, remaining 2. Okay, now take 0. Now here decimal point is there, so put decimal point over here. Now 3 6 are 18. 2 is remaining. Again take one more 0. 3 6 are 18. Again 2 remaining. Again you can take 0. Again 3 6 are 18. If you go on dividing like this, you will get same remainder and the quotient also come same number 6666. Means in this example the division does not come to an end. Division does not come to, will not get the remainder 0 like this. So division does not come to an end. Here a single digit is occur repeatedly. Single digit is occurring repeatedly. Here you can see. Okay, so this is called recurring type of decimal form. Recurring it is. Okay, now students, we will see one more example. Suppose write the number 2 upon 11. 2 by 11. 2 by 11 in the decimal form. Okay. Now same like that, 2 can be written as 2.0 or 2.000 like this. Okay. Now divide this. 2.000 divided by 11. Okay. Now here 11 we can't, it is not possible to divide 2. 2 is a smaller. Okay. For that we know the rule of division, that if it is not possible, so put a 0. Okay. Now 11 zeros are 0. 2 is here. Okay. Now we have to take next 0. Before that decimal point is there, so put a decimal point over here. Now take one more 0. 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11, 9. Now take next 0. Okay. Then 11 eights are 88. Now 90 minus 88. How much? 2. One more 0 will take. Again 11 ones are 11. Again 20 minus 11, 9. Take one more 0. 11 eights are 88. Again what is remaining here? Again 2 remaining. Now here also you can see that we are not getting the remainder 0. Here also the division does not come to an end. Here a group of digits occur repeatedly, not a single digit. Here you can see the single digit occur repeatedly, 6, 6, 6. Here group of digit means 18, 18. This group of digit occur repeatedly. So this type of decimal form is called recurring. These both are the recurring type of a decimal form. But here also difference is there. Here only single digit is occurring repeatedly. Here group of digits occur repeatedly. Okay. Now here we can see this. A single digit or a group of digits occurs repeatedly on the right of the decimal form. On the right of the, when the single digit or the group of digits occur repeatedly on the right of the decimal form. This type of decimal form of a rational number is called recurring decimal form. So these both are the examples of recurring form. Here examples are given. Okay, got it students? Now here, now how to write these numbers? How to write the answer? If in a decimal fraction a single digit occur repeatedly on the right of the decimal form, we put a point above it as shown here. Now see here, we'll see students. Here one digit is occurring repeatedly. So we can, how we'll write the answer? Answer is 5 by 3. This 5 by 3. Answer is 1.666. But we never write like this. How to write? We put a point above it as shown. Now see how to write. Just write 1.6 and put a point on the last this digit, one digit. Okay. In this type we are going to write. Now here group of digits occur. If a group of digits occur repeatedly, we show it with a horizontal line above the digits. Now how? Here 2 upon 11, answer is 0.1818. So it is written in this way, 0.18, and what we are going to now? We have to show it with a horizontal line above the digits, these repeated digits, group of digits. Put a horizontal line above the digits. Okay, in this type we are going to write. So students, hope you understood the decimal form of rational numbers.